Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to get all the blocks in Blooklet. So as you can see, all of them are locked and I do not have any of them unlocked. So what you need to do is just go to your Google and search here GitHub and press enter and open the website of this GitHub. And once you reach here, just search here cons KONZ and search this. And once you search here, you will see this one on the first GitHub man 6996. So open this one. And once you open this one, just scroll down and you will find this link, this one. So click on this one and it will take you to another link. And once you are here, you will see on the global option, global cheats. So let's say we want to select use any block. So just click on it or just right click and copy link address. So once you copy the link address, as you can see, link copied. And once the link is copied, simply go back to our game and just enter Java script and paste the code, Control V and press enter. And once you press enter, as you can see, all of them are unlocked at once. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can get all the books in Blooklet.